Greetings, Hacksters! We are here with Monica Houston, who used to be part of Hackster, is now still part of Avnet, and we are at
Embedded Vision Summit.
as you can see there.
So I am part of, the acronym is the Global PET, Products and Emerging Technologies team. That may change at some point. But we, so Avnet's big distributor of electronics, but we also do like the end-to-end solutions for customers, and my team makes these kind of like reference design boards. They're developer boards that you can either use as an out-of-box solution or like start off and then customize it and make your own system on module with our suppliers' hardware. So this Embedded Vision Summit, we worked with 3 different suppliers. We got NXP, we got Renesas, and we have Xilinx. The NXP board is NXP's IMX8M Plus architecture. That was like their first IMX board that included a neural processing unit, or NPU. Yeah, so there's lots of different acronyms. Yeah, NPU is more of a standard one, but there's like Google has like the TPU, RZV2L has the DRP-AI, so there's lots of.
Oh my gosh.
My suggestion is for the Embedded Vision Summit is to standardize. Like if you want to be a member of the Embedded Vision Summit, you have to like standardize the name of your machine learning accelerator. Okay.
So you had some demos here. Tell us about the one that you did with the Edge AI kit.
Okay, so it is running ResNet SSD. So that's single shot detection, so object detector to tell facial recognition. So it feeds a 300 by 300 image into, I guess it's going to the NPU, so it's being delegated there when it arrives to the board, and then facial recognition is run on it, and then from that facial recognition, the ROI is extracted for each face, the region of interest, and then on the face it like finds some landmarks and adds points. And then you can tell, so there's like the left image and the right image, there's 2 cameras, right? So from the left and the right image is able to measure the distance between points, like how far away they are in each image from each other. And from that it can tell how far you are from the camera. So stereoscopic vision.
It's depth perception.
Depth perception,
Cool,
yes.
Yeah. And that enables it to be more accurate as a facial recognition system?
So so you could use it as an anti-spoofing facial recognition system. So normally with like a 1 camera solution, you could just hold a piece of paper up and it's like, oh, it's you, Monica. Enter into our secret lab.
Oh, my secret lab!
You can just, you can do anti-spoofing. Our demo is running distance. So it's using an algorithm from OpenCV called Surf. I think it works up to 2 meters away normally, so it will get how far you are from the camera, and it's pretty accurate, especially when you're close up. It's like pretty accurate.
Well, let's move on. What about the one from Renesas?
Yay. Okay, so that's what I'm really excited about because it comes in a Raspberry Pi format.
Yes!
Yes, I know, and it's only $150. So it's a way that like makers can kind of get started with machine learning.
Yeah.
Because it does really low power, which is great for the environment and for lots of reasons. And it does fast machine learning too. So it runs at 1 teraops per watt. So it's a little slower than the Edge AI kit, but you can still do like 30 frames per second kind of inference. And the demo.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. It depends on the application, but the demo is running Tiny YOLO V3 to do person detection, and then within that it's running HRNet to do pose detection, so it draw those like lines on. Yeah. It's kind of a fun one. I like those.
So, final one. What about this AMD and Xilinx demo that you have?
Okay, so the ZU Board 1CG, it's a Xilinx solution. It's their lowest cost and smallest FPGA.
Oh.
So a lot of their solutions are like quite expensive, and
really? The everyday person.
Exactly, for the everyday person, but they also have like a lot of processing power. So this one also has like lots of processing power. I did some benchmarks. You can see them soon on Hackster. They're not released yet. So this board can still run really fast machine learning, but it is their smallest and lowest cost option. It's another $150 board, so it's nice.
Oh, that's not bad.
Maybe a good one to get started with if you're interested in FPGA development.
How's your experience of the Embedded Vision Summit been?
There was lots of cool talks. Edge Impulse was here.
Yeah, I missed the Edge Impulse FOMO talk this morning.
Halo is another cool processor. It uses PCIe, also USB-C, so you can connect to a Raspberry Pi, for instance, but it's just the like machine learning processor. and it can run at super low power also, kind of like our Z board, but a little bit more top of the line and expensive, I assume. So it's machine learning focused, and so they have like a software stack that you can translate your model into like their proprietary thing that's like optimized for their hardware.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. It's so
Good to see you.
Again.
Yay!